Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on VoLTE on HyperOS. Here's how to do it. Go to your settings, go to mobile networks, click on the SIM card you want to turn on VoLTE with, if you have two SIM cards on your device. At the bottom you're going to see where it says use VoLTE. Turn it on. When you do that, you can now see the VoLTE icon at the top right corner. So that's how you turn on VoLTE on HyperOS. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.